Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold for your gold weekly trading. So last week I also mentioned my gold weekly analysis. That's the simple technical methods that if you didn't see my video, go to there, watch that video. That simple technical method I was mentioned. This is the rally based rally and drop to the below and not created higher high and drop to below. So 1980 is my goal target is still. So that was I mentioned last my weekly video. That's the technical simple picture. So this is the do you things like a double bottom pattern. This is one bottom and second, do you think this is the double bottom? Is the technical view. So if this is double bottom, price is created high. Do you think this is a double bottom? It is depend on economic data. So let's move to the economic data analysis. What will going on US dollar? So that's last week was released USA CPI data report, inflation data reports. That was very volatile economic data. That's last week was released. That's the American Central Bank Fed is forecasting 5% inflation data. The previous one is also 5%, but inflation was not dropped accurate for inflation report. Actual year inflation is 4.9, 0.1 dropped inflation. That's the not dropped. That's the inflation report. That's the fact was expected forecasted. That's the 5%, but not dropped is below 5%. That's a 0.1 drop. That is not positive for US dollar, and Fed is going to the interest rate hike again in next meeting FOMC June. So next week you will touch with the economic data. That's the retail sales in US dollar. That's the next week you will touch with this economic data. That's the retail sales will be increased than forecast and previous figure. That is the positive for US dollar, and that will be help to the gold drop to the break this level and drop to below side. So you will touch with economic data next week. US dollar retail sales will be in next weeks. That's the volatile economic data you will touch. So if you are gold trading, you will touch with US dollar economic events, economic data. What will going on? US dollar is the major currency for gold trading. So that's the economic event next week. That's the gold price is in this level. I am going to the my technical analysis for next week. So I am moved to the 1 hour chart. I am seeing this the simple technical pattern is going on was going on from last week. This is the like simple technical channel pattern is accurate in gold from this last weeks. That's I am seeing this like a still simple technical pattern. So price is in this resistance. So this resistance is I am going to the line chart for your clear picture. So price is this resistance. You can see this resistance is supported in, so this supported, sorry, it's supported is in resistance is in here, and price dropped yesterday last Friday from 2020 level, and left side support has become resistant in this. So this is the technical picture I have. Next week my forecast is, you can see that this level, yellow color level, is the previously supported in here. Price is in level, that's the 2000 below level. So price supported in level, and this years has already price supported in last week. So not created higher high because of interest rate will be hike in next in FOMC meeting. That's the positive demand for US dollar. So I am forecasting next week is the this is not going to higher high created like this is not going to higher high, and price will be dropped to the below side. That's the first move, and second move and third move will be continuing in next week. So there's a sell opportunity in next week. My target is 1980. So that's the I am forecasting, thinking price will be dropped to the next week. So broke this level and yellow color and retest and continue the drop side. 1980 is my first target. So that's the my forecasting next week. So drop to the below, retest and continue to the drop side. That you can see the left side support in here, that will be resistance in here. Then you can see this support become a resistance in here. That's the your sell trade in here. So left side support, you can see that's a strong support, and it will be become resistance in here for next week. That's the my forecast goal. Next week you have a sell opportunity goal in next week. So that's the I am thinking, I am forecasting. So goal will be continue to the drop. Is my first target is 1980 level. So you will touch with retail sales US dollar next week in economic event. That is will be effective US dollar demand or sell off. That's my telegram link is below for accurate goal signals. So get the money management well and get the trade with the smaller time frame confirmation that you have a sell opportunity gold in next week. So thank you very much.